Okay, here is our bee and lemon tablescape. This is the brand new plate at the Dollar Tree. Every day is a fresh start, and it sure is. I love the new plates. They're so pretty. And I paired it with, this is from Hobby Lobby. It looks like a paper plate. So, because it's fun for summer. And then this is just a gold charger, also from Hobby Lobby. These were from, I think I got these at the app. These were Amazon, Hobby Lobby for the napkin rings, Amazon for our silverware, tablecloth, and the tablecloth we're using as a table runner. Yes, that's an incandescent. Yeah, look, you move it different ways and it shows different colors. Since it's got the yellow, it's showing yellow. The Easy Peasy is Hobby Lobby. This is Dollar Tree. The lemons is Michael's and Hobby Lobby. That's a DIY I made. And the milk can, that came from the General Dollar. Our candles, they are from At Home. And I almost forgot our beautiful blue wine glasses. Those was also a Dollar Tree. So this is kind of a Dollar Tree tablescape. I think it turned out beautiful. The blues and the turquoises are always my favorite color. What do you think?